Hello, I am Sarvashish Kumar Pal. Today I am teaching the necessary and sufficient condition for three distinct points with position vector A, B, C to be collinear is that exist they are scalar x, y, z not all 0 such that xa plus yb plus zc equal to 0 where x plus y plus z equal to 0. Okay, this is the condition of three vector collinear such that xa plus yb plus zc equal to 0 where x plus y plus z equal to 0 and A be the position vector of A, R, C and B is the position vector of B. Let R divided the join of point A, B internally M is to N. Okay. Then R equal to OB plus BR. OB plus BR. So RB equal to OB minus OR, so B minus R. In this way, OA plus AR is equal to OR. So AR equal to OR minus OA, so R minus A. So M into RB is equal to N into RF. From there, R equal to MB plus NA by M plus A. So here R equal to C equal to MB plus NA by M plus N, and we multiply, we get M plus N equal to Z, and let M minus M equal to Y, let minus N equal to X, then ZC plus BY plus X equal to 0. It means XA plus YB plus Z equal to 0 where X plus Y plus Z equal to, put the value of X, you consider X equal to minus N, you consider Y equal to minus M, you consider Z equal to M plus N. From this X plus Y plus Z equal to 0. Thus the condition is necessary X plus Y plus Z equal to 0. To prove that the condition is sufficient, there exists a scalar x, y, z such that they are all not all 0. It means x plus y plus z equal to 0. So x plus y equal to minus z, you think that minus z not equal to 0. Then you divide x plus y, here also x plus y, and put the value of z here. Z is equal to M plus N is equal to minus x minus y, so you cut and you get the value C. So B is the position vector of C is the position vector of A and B dividing y is to x. What is y? Y equal to minus M. What is x? Minus n. So M is to n. Y is to x means M is to n. Hence 3 points are collinear. So at first we prove that the condition is sufficient, then we prove the condition is necessary in which that x, y, z are not all 0. Then we get C equal to xa plus yb by x plus y. So C is the point of A and B. C is the collinear point of A and B in the ratio of y is to x. So here the condition is sufficient and condition is necessary. We C equal to MB plus NA by M plus N, then multiply M plus N equal to Z, let and M equal to minus y and minus N is equal to x, and you this is of the form, and x plus y plus z equal to 0. So this is the condition which is the condition is necessary, and then we prove the condition is sufficient. Okay, and thank you so much.